Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 10 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list of toggles, and hopefully on one of the pages, or this is just the one page, you can find the screen recording toggle. Now if you can't, which appears to be the case for me, you want to select right here, this little box, and locate the toggle hopefully somewhere below here. Those are the toggles that are turned off, so I'll just swipe between them. And there we go. It's the literally last toggle, for me at least. I'm going to select the plus, which will add it to my visible toggles right here. And now I can either hold it to take me to the settings, or I can press it to automatically start recording. But I do recommend holding it at the very beginning, just so you can see what it is set to. One of the things that I would probably recommend changing is the definition. It is set to medium 720p. I would recommend selecting to be a high 1080p 16 megabits. This will give you a much clearer image, which will just look better, especially on a bigger display. Frame rate is probably set to dynamic. I would cap it to 30. 30 is the bare minimum anyway, so in this case you won't have your phone changing it to 15 for some stupid reason. And like I said, 30 is like the bare minimum I would recommend. And in this phone is also the highest one you can go with. Anyway, and there are a couple additional toggles below that. Change them to whatever you need. But those are the two settings that I would recommend changing in general. From there, let's find the toggle once more. Press on it. Continue. Agree. Let's allow whatever it needs, and it brings us up with this pop-up. And just select the red circle. This will automatically start recording screen, and whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded. So you can open up some games. Let's see. Nothing really to show. So anyway, now that I'm done, I'm gonna interact with this overlay and then select the red square, which will save the screen recording to my gallery application. So let's open that up. And you can see it under today. Obviously, when you recorded it, later on, obviously, if you capture more media, like videos, pictures, it will be shifted downwards, but luckily you can find it under albums and a video. And you can see it right here. And it also looks like it's being held in screenshots folder as well. Now the file is just in like one place on the phone, but gallery application just kind of shows you in multiple places, just so you can find it in a couple different ways, because it's considered a screenshot for some stupid reason, but it's also a video. So yeah. Anyway, I'll press on it just so you can see it play out. So there we go. So here we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.